about our country. Our country that's the position of freedom. Today, why did we celebrate of this function 15 hours? 15 hours Independence Day. What is an important? Today why did we celebrate Independence Day? What is an important of this function? Many years ago, our country was in British, had all the power, was under many national leaders became Shaheed such as Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. We cannot forget them all life. Therefore, all whole Indians celebrate this function. In all the government office, school, college, and gram panchayat, etc. On this day, our teacher guys to us tell me. So I am giving full stop to my speech. East and West, India is the best. Today is Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आना सही